Hi everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am opening up the December Silver Swag box. It came in a really huge box, so I'm going to just place it over here and go through all the lovely items. I want to tell you this is their vintage Christmas box, but it is for people of all religions. Me personally, I don't even celebrate Christmas. I'm Jewish, but I loved everything in this box. So if you're interested in purchasing it, they start shipping today, and you can purchase it up to December 15th. And all the subscriptions come with free shipping. So if you go month to month, if you go 6 months, you're going to get free shipping as well, plus a welcome box. And if you go 12 months, you're going to get the welcome box, a free gift, and free shipping. So let's dive right into the items. I looked at everything, and I love this kit. This is a sequence craft kit to make this lovely picture. It contains all the items. I actually Googled this on Amazon, and this kit goes for like $25 just for this kit. It contains everything that you will need to make this really pretty picture. So that is the first item. That's probably why they had such a big box, because of that. And then we got a bunch of food. We got some candies. These are little, they call them old-fashioned holiday candy, and it is the old-fashioned peppermints. It's by a company called Butterfields. It's cinnamon and peppermint, orange, spearmint, wintergreen, and lime. So this is what it looks like when you take it out. You can get all your candies in here to satisfy your sweet tooth. And then we got some cookies. We got cookies for Santa they're both by O Sugar. Brownie crisp cookies and ginger snap cookies. Two little bags of cookies that you could put out for Santa, or you could eat it like immediately upon receipt, whatever you choose. And then I love this one. This is Santa's favorite peppermint cocoa, and it's in a vintage tin. Isn't that adorable? I love it. You put 2 to 3 tablespoons in your hot water. I personally boil the milk. Hot cocoa is better with boiled milk. And when you're done with this would make a really cute keepsake to keep. I like to, if you don't know anything about me, I like to start plants and succulents. This would be the cutest little container for a plant, wouldn't that? So what else did we get? We got a shower steamer, and it smells like gingerbread. I've never used a shower steamer before, so when I move back into my house, I'm going to have a brand new bathroom. I'm going to use this shower steamer. So that's the other thing. And I'm telling you, this thing came packed. Look at that. Look at that. You can use this for gifts. Now, this item. This is probably my favorite in the box. It is a vintage Christmas tree ornament. You're going to get it in white or green. It does require batteries, and I already put the batteries in there because I wanted you to see how cute this looks when it's lit up. Isn't that adorable? I haven't decided what to do. Like I said, I don't celebrate Christmas, but I think this is so cute. I would definitely put this on the shelf. Put it next to my menorah or something like that. Because my husband, he's Presbyterian, so this is really cute. So I love this. You can get a white or green. I kind of wanted the green one, but the more I look at the white one, I like it just as much. And the last thing, I believe this is the last thing. Yes, we got a set. Now, there's just some dust here from the squiggly stuff. We got a set of these bowls by this company called Primitives, and they come, each one is a bowl with a lid. I also looked this up online. These are, they're dishwasher safe, but definitely only in the top shelf. I would only put in the top shelf of the dishwasher. And they're obviously not microwave safe. So let me get this design with the lid. This design says Merry Christmas. It also has a lid. And this one, very cute. And these are made of, has some bamboo in it, some bamboo ingredients. So who knew? But I really like them. They're really cute, and they have the snap-on lids. So you can definitely take this to, you know, store food in your refrigerator, take food to a party, you know, use it as a popcorn bowl. They're really very cute. And so this one, I thought it was going to be really big, but this is actually perfect size. So that's what we got in the vintage Silver Swag Christmas box. I so appreciate you sending me this box for my review, Silver Swag. It's always a treat to unbox everything in here. And I will leave the link down below if you're interested in snagging this. They do start shipping today. And the last day to get this box is December 15th. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, talk with me in the comments below. And of course, if you so choose, subscribe. That would really help my channel. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Bye.